them why you bend down, girl, you will them go. Hey, girl, long ago, when you go to them, them in a break, girl. As you walk them up, and right and over. Hey, girl, you never got us, so we can't tell him bring down. Him stop himself a like a big stone. Take on big heavy work and learn doing up the tricks in his hand. Boy, see the beat and start him out nothing. Up it watch you and move like a son. Slip past you like a trip past the belly button. Boy, oh, and a son, boy, oh, and a son. Some man say them a ride about my six saddles. All of me say them a daddy but them a big waggle. So when them want you bend down, girl, don't let them go. Hey, don't waggle. Oh yeah. Some boy too blind, yeah. Them too dark and high, yeah. Can't tell you up with the walk them in, yeah. Walk them in, yeah. Walk them in, yeah. Well, it's a one of the all of them man, they put me on cruise up before. And when you used to work my one, but you can't push me no more. I tell your friend them how you want them girl, they up on the floor. And when you used to make them out you can't bend no more. And when you come high up, and when you see me I go low man, in a my new man, when my new man run well, some boy and them go man, don't have a glue man, I walk for you man. Me admit me pass you a few man, but now when it miss a poetry and two man, kick back, relax with me go man. And you sit down and I got it like a woman. And then you bring them push, so walk back. Why you not tell them push? So give us a boy big hit to my thunder. In your love that big that and thunder. When my Irish mass and let's see never strength in your back, still could have test me. You did not have it, did not have it, and you could not keep my content. Move up the line, yeah, it's not the wine and the mountain. When it's the one, I'm the all of them all them plan, you bruise up them four. When you use the word, you want, but you can't feel no more. I tell you, run them how you have to from girl, I've been up on the floor. And when you use the word, it's what you can't feel no more. You know what? Throw me left all and roll them. Yeah man, he no bring one. If I don't have a burger and I have shit to put it on. Eh? No roll. Hey! Alright. Boy. It's a fear of the mountain, especially the welcome one day. When you are, and the way you talk, and it's not to be a car. You left me like no movie star. I'm not going anywhere, and it's not just not be here, and nothing just a bless. Yeah, baby, it's not a wonder. Just look up your moon. Go the way you have a boom, stop, and the big money. Take your time to the river. Love the locking down, love the way you can make this gas stop. Like for coming up in the picture. Help me and let's have a go. Love the locking down, love the locking down, love the locking down, love the locking down. Hey, you don't even understand why you wipe up your car. You look to me just a walk star. I'm going to control you, put it right. Good love star. I am here and I'm afraid them my best man. Why pick you? Can have the best man. When I don't hear love the way you have the boom boom stuff. And the big booty. You tell me time to live. I love the loving down. Love the way you can make this gas stop. Like my body grabbing on the picture. I realize I go to work. Love the locking down. Love the locking down. Shout I can't not pick up the down. Love the locking down. Take it up. Can I see the hand of every man inside here tonight who has a long ding dong? I show of hands. Eh? One. dear. 2? Oh dear. Where have I found myself? I think I took a wrong turn. No? Oh dear. You like it? Why? Why bother? Look out here. It's dismal. Slim pickings, girl. Slim pickings. I don't think we're preaching to the right choir tonight. They're not here. Men of whom I speak are in short supply. I just saw my time. I don't know what I have time. They tell me low. Saturday night was our anniversary. I made something special, man and babe. Go out, I'm going to do everything right. From the champagne to the dim light. I put on some music, turn it way down low. Don't be sloppy, get the right flow. Lay out in English, we have the red flow. And after all of that, the rich never show. Put him at black, we see it again later. 11 o'clock, we are contemplating. Seminar, go get fixed, we still are later. Now watch it later, we are Jamaican. 12 o'clock, when we not see him, we start to red. 1 o'clock, I'm that curtain to what you can see. Mr. I wonder if the rock still guilty, I'm a big sin, them all problem. Pick up my phone and start all over breath. Jump in on my car and go circle, so then touch back on the door. So really, I wanted to talk about what's your story. More important than me. Talk about what's your story. You could have feel me as a disturbed peace. Talk about what's your story. From the heart for me. Talk about what's your story. Come on now, come on now. How will you have to take to me? Take it on, come on now, come on now. You know when I asked him what the story was, I'm up nerve to say. Him find another girl, but you can't find another girl. Not when you talk to me. I'm too unstable for that. I will hurt you. Hey, I hope you can't find out with. Yeah, you can't sleep, can't breathe. Yeah, you don't like to stop thinking about it. Yeah, you can't sleep, can't breathe. Whoa, I hope you wind up alone, babe. Yeah, you can't sleep, can't breathe. And if you want to know what you put, I still got love. Yeah, you can't sleep, can't breathe. Hey, I love to take up the cold in the time. The best outside. Put on a mask to protect my pride. You want me to take it like that? I'm a girl who cries. But if my punch is high, don't be too surprised. And while I'm out there, I'm here for the other part. That's what you did to my heart. Act of war for every step you take. I'll be one step behind. So let you get me out of the mind. I'm on your side without it. Yeah, you can't sleep, can't breathe. You can't get your mind to stop thinking about it. Yeah, you can't sleep, can't breathe. Can't breathe. I hope you wind up alone. Yeah, you can't sleep, can't breathe. And then you want to wish I could have killed them all. But you don't care. Why is she so happy? Why do you smile? And why aren't you guys fighting all the while like we did? I know it must be a charade. God, please send me a shower, but wait there for me. Please. Hey, I want your girl live without me. Yeah, you can't see, you can't breathe. Yeah, I get your mind mixed up in the world. Can't breathe. I hope you wind up alone. Yeah, you can't breathe. I didn't want to wish you could have taken more. Yeah, you can't breathe. I hope you can't live alone. I hope you can't live alone. I hope you can't breathe. So forget. Yeah, Hell hath no fury like a woman's sword. Yeah? Give me a roll. You know what? As a matter of fact, skip that. Skip that. What, hold on. What was that you just played? After you. Boy. What happened? How about it? It's that kind of night. Are you guys having fun? Thank God. Did you say yes? You say yes? Alright, that's all I heard. I don't want to hear wrong. But you know, I did a whole bunch of songs that now I look back at them and I say, what the hell was I thinking? Take people, man, and them something that I don't even want here. What was I doing? And then having the nerve to say, woman, come take him back. She should have fight me. She should have. Could have beat her still, but she should have at least tried. You know? And I feel like some of the songs need to be retired, so you're going to help me tonight. Don't you think I should retire, Goggle? In 2026, who does not Goggle? And if y'all say you don't, we can't be friends, because I don't do liars. You Goggle, don't you? By show of hands, let me see all those who don't Goggle. Put your hand up if you don't Goggle. So we can show that song. I'm tired of singing lies. I don't want to be a hypocrite. It's not my thing. And taking back, I'm not taking nobody's man in my 50s. I'm 53 this year. I don't want nobody man. I don't even want mine. I'm lying. I want mine. But I'm not taking nobody's man. So it feels a little bit disingenuous to be standing there singing. I'm going to sing it because it's in the repertoire. You want to hear it? You want to hear it? Alright. Come back in out of the me and my friend used to move X. Cut number 2 a year ago, used to flex. Any man me see what you want when you sick. Can't talk to her, let her kick in her neck. Come in and tell you to come up on the boat. Cost me out for living most not low. I just know me I fully understand why me really need to live the man. I said refuse to look for hope, so in pockets stay broke. Yeah, I'm not your hand, but I worry my shop. You say you really love me, but me not fight. Why if you please come take him back? And you never influence them up a lot. If when you go, you're not see me big God. Love how your man a perform. Take him back, why don't you take him back? But when you to brag and to walk, going at the end and you walk the last time. If it even means send me at the perform. Take him back, why you take him back? Take him back, take him back, no. Back, take him back, no. Take him back, no. Take him back, why you take him back, no? Hey, I'm friendly in every piece. I see my rock. I tell the boat to one but drop. So I'm on it up. I can't believe how you're like me. Find it holy. Me ready for some bed. Nothing out the morning. 3 people come like evening after the road. Only me I give back to you. And I really know. I'm on the way because you kind of cute. You have it too. Oh! Why you take him back? And you can influence them from the land. If when you come and you're not even in God, you love how your man up your man. Take him back. Why you take him back? And you come and you to brag and to walk. Long in the end and you walk the last time. If you think of me, say me happy papa. You want to take him back. Why you want to take him back? Come take him back. Take him back. Would you take him back? Would you take him back? Are there any wives inside here tonight? Only a few, a little smattering of wives. So if somebody borrowed your husband, would you take him back? No, you wouldn't take him back? No? You see, that's why we have so many divorces. Because y'all said for better or worse, but when worse come, The trouble doesn't easy fit on a thousand tantrum. Raise a ruckus, you don't think that the sky fall down, and all the man want is a little more gun. You mean me? You can't share it. Eh? No sharing? So you mean to tell me that there are so few men around? That's why we can't get along. And that's why we don't have peace, because people like you refuse to shit. I'm tired of the hunger I see on people's faces. Tired of the animosity between the races. Tired of corruption and hiding in low places. And bricks with money but no social graces. Tired of being judged for the way of my head. And the music that I listen, that I wear. I'm tired of life and death being shoulders appear. And politicians who keep saying they care, but maybe open for a dream. And maybe life ain't as bad as it seems. But dreaming is the best I can do. And I've been dreaming my whole life through. Oh, what a day when we are. What a day of the past and days. We will have it and laugh and life. It's fine, worth its cost and all. Oh, what a day when men finally live what they teach us to do. Being just a concept of preaching blood. Hold on, run to the street. Oh, what a day. Tired of leaving church, feeling like I just got robbed. I was a rambling, not much mission of God. The richest man, the only one. Not have a job, a bunch of righteous cheeks. Hey, we're still mob, y'all. Tired of baby mama, tired of baby daddy. And chilling in the spot where it should be. A teenage mother saying, leave my babies alone. In 20 years, a kid robbing my home. I got a baby off a whole like a pain. Word of spiritual cares. I'm making the winning for the fire to rain. Don't show you everything I'm talking. What a day we was. And life is my birth, it's past and oh, what a day when men finally live what they teach and love. Jesus, they can't still be preaching love. Around the streets, say what a day is. Oh, what a day, Love and Harmony Cruise, I hope I live to see that day when we have peace among us. And I hope you're there to share it with me. And ladies, if you want to start the peace process in your household, there's a simple way you can do that. If you have a husband, a man, a boyfriend, a significant other, fiancé, whatever you call them, and by some accident, because it is usually an accident, you end up in bed with another man, make sure that other man looks like your man. So in case you have a baby, the baby could fit, right? I'm just trying to help you make sense of your madness. Alright? If you don't, if you want peace, let's begin it. Go to sleep now, baby. When she took the baby in the night, she sang this lullaby. You got your daddy smile, you got his eyes. I feel my heart break every time you cry. I'm gonna burn in hell, but it's no sacrifice. Your stability is worth a million lives. I see your daddy in everything you do. And if you could talk, I know you talk like him too, but he can't be your dad. You understand? The man who thinks he's your father is a much better man. Or maybe one day you'll end up crying and breaking me. Baby, it's a chance your mama's winning to say, 'cause I love you. herself, the mama cried. But at night she smiled when the daddy was by her side. And there were times she almost told him and it really broke her heart. But she forced herself to keep a secret. Now I can't sleep at night. I lost my appetite. Everybody keeps saying the baby looks kinda like. And I tell them every newborn baby looks the same. Well, I pray to God believe make it color change. The emotion on his face when he's looking at you. I couldn't tell you it's your daddy if I wanted to. He's got the picture to cool in his arm. Now he's bragging to his friends about his firstborn. Oh God, and I love him. Really, I do. And if he ever found out, he would kill me too. Now I'm in a rock and a real heartbreak. I did everything to keep a smile on his face. So I tried, baby, I tried. He killed me with I'm gonna live with it. Oh, and I heard, baby, I heard. I'm gonna know what you were, yeah. So I'm gonna live with it. Mama kept the secret the best way she could. But she knew in this case the truth would do more harm than good. And daddy didn't know it didn't hurt him, he had no cause to fret. And that's as close to happily ever after as many of us will ever get. Yeah? I just want to say big ups to all of the real daddies out there. And I know that society has put a stigma on families in every way they can. So if you're looking after a child that isn't biologically yours, somehow there's some kind of shame. But listen to me. Somebody who fathers a child biologically and somebody who actually raises a child are two different jobs, they're two different people. So if you're looking after that child, you kudos to you because you're helping to shape society more than a sperm donor ever could. So big up your damn self. Alright? Yeah?
Oh, I gotta get it.
Hi. Whoa. You love the badness, alright. You know I can still remember when it was just me and you. Suddenly it turned you and it's grown out. Forget everything but the food now. I wish you would have seen me like your black. I would have loved it if you keep me pump up. I wish you would have seen me like a yacht. Keep me away by the waves in my rock. Why you can't see you come like a corner and give your legs warm like your marijuana. I would have loved it if you treat me like a cup. Still been on the whole life, but I hope I'm right that road. You go on. I want you with my knees. Let us go on the street of life. Just feel it inside your heart. Don't love you like I do. You need to know that you wanna keep your woman loving you. You need to show that you love me when it takes so much effort to get. You're supposed to blow that. And just like a little church, you are about to get sure. I will show that you like a host. Me know you're not there, that's when you're boss. Which one of them woman are who's like your kids? Need for all older than the size of your ribs. Why you can't see a fucker like the cold man? I never leave the house without me like a cold man. Boy, I wish you would have treated me like your whip. Your girl's a perfect kid, but the legs never only a fine man. You know so what's a woman say? You don't know why a woman has sweetheart. Don't love you like I do. You need to know that you wanna keep your woman loving you. Need to show that you look for your way. It takes so much effort to get. Most to blow that. Just like a little church, you are going to get sure. You know the streets don't love you. Not like we do. So if you don't want to get that little white lie, we want you to come home a little bit more often, stay home a little bit longer and work a little bit harder while you're there. Yeah? I just want to say big up Mr. Barris Hammond. I love you so much. One of my teachers. You know, say I learned something, right?
Yes.
So you know, say him have to be one of my dads.
Of course.
My general, my G, my king.
That is it.
Yeah? One of the best writers ever come out of Jamaica. The man, no, he really is. I mean, I say that because I love and harmony grooves. This is what I feel genuinely from the bottom of my heart. And from a little kid, Barris Hammond has been one of one of the beacons will light my way, and one of the reasons why I'm buckle down in a literature class and get a distinction.
Yes.
Language distinction. Yeah, I am.
Yeah, man.
And I'm not modest either.
No, but
I am not humble at all, but we're very hard. And because I had really good mentors, I had really good models. Yeah? I had really good models. So we out of time?
not yet.
Come here, somebody talk, and when me hear them talking, they know.
I know you never talk to.
But me know, I think being at the right place to say, and everywhere I go, I say it. Big up Barris Hammond. Because we need more. I think we need more Barris Hammonds in Jamaica today. We do. I'm telling my master already, I say, oh, no can't afford to take a vacation, no can't afford to live with. Because if you don't do, where the hell we are going to get light from? And that is a fact, and I'm not dissing anybody else, I'm just saying, without the light, we're walking in darkness. And then people are like, wait for people like me. And if I am any good at all, then Barris have to get some of the props thing. Yeah? Big up him. Big him up. Big him up. Yeah. And right now I want to do this song for every man inside here tonight, whether you come with your wife or your fiancé, sweetheart. You know me not care. You know me an old nigga from a long time. I never tell him if to put up on no pedestal. I don't even like heights. So I'm crawling right back down to the gutter where I belong, because you're an old nigga. Give me the track, yeah. People man be still out there. I want you. I want it. I said, wait there. You already have a wife. Touch it just one time. Alright, because I'm not alive, I feel lost a while ago. Do it again. Do it again. Mr. Jabba. Big up Mr. Joey. Big up yourself. You guys especially, thank you very much. Said if we never get a chance together, might do what dog.
Yes. Yes, indeed. How she sound? How she sound? If you love Tanya, say go on, Tanya. Say Tanya, we love you, Tanya. Tanya, we love you. Sweetie, she look good though. But me sure single look a while. It's a pretty nerd of a wife. Don't you have one man that feel alive? What a beautiful young lady, all the way from St. Mary. There's some reason I marry someone go around or seriously from St. Mary. How many artists come from St. Mary again? Pity Tanya. This is not, see that about a country too? I can start from Barris, Barry G, Pity Tanya, Marianne, Minister Marianne. Lady G. I'm gonna watch it beat me, you know. But guess what? Tonight we have school uniform. We are the schoolers, not ready? Schoolers, not ready? We could have the lunch money. Everybody on the lunch money check me, you know. Before school start though.